Did you know that 70% of people who start freelancing online quit within the first month because they don't know the right skills to focus on? But what if I told you that by mastering just 3 skills, you could start earning $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 a month without any fancy degrees or years of experience? Stick around because today I'm revealing the top 3 in-demand skills for 2025, where to learn them, and exactly how to start making money with them. Let's dive in. Let's start with skill number 1. Copywriting. Copywriting is the art of writing persuasive content that sells. Whether it's crafting emails, ads, or website content, businesses are always looking for talented copywriters to help them boost sales. The best part? You don't need to be a professional writer to get started. All you need is the ability to understand your audience and communicate clearly. Here's how you can make money with copywriting. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Cold pitching. Reach out to small businesses or startups that might need help with their marketing. Create a portfolio. Start by writing sample pieces for fictional brands or local businesses to showcase your skills. The average copywriter earns between $50 to $200 per project, and experienced copywriters can charge thousands for a single sales page. Ready to learn how to get started? Let's move to the next scene. To learn copywriting, you don't need to spend thousands on courses. Here are some affordable and free resources. Free resources. Check out YouTube channels like Copywriting Secrets or blogs like Copyblogger. Paid courses. Consider platforms like Udemy, Copywriting for Beginners, or Skillshare, the complete copywriting course. Practice. Join communities like Reddit's r/copywriting to get feedback on your work. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for beginners to find small projects. Fiverr, perfect for building a portfolio with quick gigs. ProBlogger Job Board, ideal for finding long-term clients. Now that you know how to start with copywriting, let's move to skill number 2. Satburo. Skill number 2 is graphic design. With the rise of social media and online businesses, the demand for graphic designers has skyrocketed. From creating logos to designing social media posts, there's no shortage of work for skilled designers. Here's how you can make money with graphic design. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like 99 Designs or Dribbble. Sell templates. Create and sell pre-made designs on marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy. Local businesses. Approach small businesses to design their menus, flyers, or social media graphics. The average graphic designer earns between $30 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Want to know where to learn this skill? Let's jump into the next scene. Here's how you can learn graphic design. Free resources. YouTube channels like The Future or GFX Mentor offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses, platforms like Coursera, graphic design specialization, or LinkedIn Learning are great for structured learning. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva or GIMP to get started. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. 99 Designs, perfect for competing in design contests. Behance, showcase your portfolio and attract clients. Fiverr, great for offering affordable design services. Now let's move to skill number 3. Skill number 3 is digital marketing. Every business, big or small, needs a strong online presence, and that's where digital marketers come in. From running ads to managing social media accounts, this skill is in high demand. Here's how you can make money with digital marketing. Freelance platforms offer services like social media management or SEO on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. Agency work. Join a digital marketing agency to gain experience. Consulting helps small businesses create and execute marketing strategies. The average digital marketer earns between $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Let's move to the next scene. Here's how you can learn digital marketing. Free resources. Google's Digital Garage or HubSpot Academy offers free certifications. Paid courses, platforms like Coursera, digital marketing specialization, or Udemy, the complete digital marketing course, are excellent choices. Practice, start your own blog or social media page to apply what you've learned. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance digital marketing gigs. LinkedIn, perfect for connecting with businesses looking for marketers. TopTal, ideal for experienced marketers looking for high-paying clients. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations. You now know the top 3 skills to make money online in 2025: copywriting, graphic design, and digital marketing. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Start by learning one skill, practicing consistently, and building your portfolio. Here are some general tips to succeed in freelancing. Be consistent, show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Network, join online communities, and connect with like-minded people. Keep learning. The online world is always evolving, so stay updated with the latest trends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.